In this video, I'm going to show you how to take off your side skirts on your AMG SLK32 and install the Octoclassic rubber garnishes. You need a 10mm T20 Torx, a body plug removal tool, plastic body clips, pry tools, and spare body plugs because you will break these brittle plastics. To start, you have two 10mm here and here. You've got body plugs here at the T20 Torx you remove. And you gotta remove these jack plugs. Very simple, I'll show you how. To remove, find the indention. Use a flat blade screwdriver to pry. Work around it. Then take your body clip removal. Like that. Like that. To reinstall, real simple. Put it back in, reverse your steps. Okay. With these two 10mm. To remove these push pins, T20 Torx. I have to use a screwdriver to help pry it out. There, just like that. Preserve the clip. Real easy. If you're lucky, it won't break. Flat blade, pry it out. They're all hand tight. You don't need any pressure to get them off. The door. You just want to gently begin prying because your panel is loose. It's held in with 3 clips, a series of clips in the door jamb, 2 clips at the rear. There's one, and expect to break some. It's brittle. Two. 3. There's those 3 loose. Go to the rear. There's 2 here. 1. 2. Now these clips, they just pull up like this. This is the easy part. And like that, with some rest. To install your new garnishes, they're molded to fit. You put them over your body clips, and they sit right in this recessed channel, like that. Front side's the same way. They only go on one way, so you can't put it on wrong. Just like that. And you're done. To reinstall, just reverse what you did, line up all your clips and just knock them into place. And like that, you're done. And last step, jack plug. To reinstall your jack plugs, real easy. Keep this portion pulled out. Line up the hole there. Just push it in. And the rest of these is a series of body clips. Just line back up the hole and push it in like that. With your finished result, you should look like this. New Octoclassic garnish moldings. For the price, it was well worth it. No more cracked rubber. Install was super easy.